Good morning, friendly citizens of the region. This is Drew Williams Clark at CMAP, and I want to tell you a little bit about some of the new stuff that we've added to MetroPulse to make your navigation simpler and to draw your attention to some interesting things. As always, on the top bar, we have videos that you can click to in case you need to learn some of these things again. On the second bar, we have navigation, and we always want to draw your attention to this simple survey that you can fill out to help us understand your needs a little bit better. We're always conducting user experience interviews. The reason that we're able to make the improvements that I showed you today was because some people chose to be interviewed, and we always need more. So please take a couple minutes and fill out this survey and send it to us. Without further ado, I am going to click on the Explore by Topic button, which gets me into our simple navigation method, and it's going to load some data here for a second. This is by default the first indicator that you come to by alphabetical order. So campaign contributions, number of campaign contributions across the 7-county region in 2008. As always, we have our bar chart here, but now instead of having another line across the top, we have all of our navigation options on the left vertical bar. So you can choose by topic as always. There are the same topics we've always had here. So I'll go to housing and change that. And it all defaults me to the first housing indicator. And then I can choose other housing indicators within that topic area. So I'll go to percent vacancy, and that indicator will show up there. And if I want to get even more detailed, you can see that we have other vacancy statistics besides the default that comes up. And then if county is not descriptive enough for you, we have all of these other geographic levels that you can look at as well. These are the same navigation options that we've always had, except now they're on the left bar. People told us that they didn't like the way they were across the top and that they would be simpler to use if they were vertical. So that's what we did. Also, as always, the source is here for you to click on, and so I'll just click the source here and it takes me directly to the HUD website where I can find more information on this particular data source. But also, the same about text that used to be on the left bar is now something that you have to click to, but we found out that folks weren't reading the left bar, and so they would prefer to click on this. And so now you can read all of that text, and it actually obscures the rest of the screen as you do. Once you're done reading, you click the X, and you are out, just like everything else. So thanks so much for listening to me today. As always, you can email me if you have questions at awilliamsclark@cmap.illinois.gov, and I would be happy to get back to you. Thanks so much and have a great week.